Tired of having students ask, when will we ever use this? Project based learning fixes that. In just 5 steps, you can turn any lesson into real world learning. Welcome to Minds in Motion, our weekly series that brings you a complete project based learning experience through our 5-step PBL framework. Each week, we highlight a PBL project from the Path to Potential Gifted program at the Grande Innovation Academy and show you how you can use the same ideas in your own classroom. Today, we're starting at the very beginning, answering the question, what is project-based learning and why does it matter? Project-based learning, or PBL, is a teaching method where students learn through authentic, real-world projects. My first step is always identifying what my scholars need to know. So before a project begins, I map out the standards, vocabulary, skills, and background knowledge that my scholars must master. This step ensures the project is grounded in meaningful academic content. Step 2 is to introduce the driving question. This is going to be an open-ended question that sparks curiosity and guides the whole project. A great driving question connects learning to the real world. Something like, how can we design a project that solves a community need? Or, how can we tell a story that inspires change? This question gives my scholars purpose and direction. Step 3 is planning the learning experience. This is where scholars are going to research, explore, experiment, design, and build. So I, as a teacher, will provide many lessons. I'll give them the resources, models, and check-ins along the way. These are the learning experience that help my scholars build the skills and understanding they need to successfully complete their final project. For step 4, I'm going to decide what is the final product and design that. In PBL, the product is not just an assignment. It's going to be something they can meaningfully create that has real purpose. It could be a documentary, a model, a presentation, a magazine, a prototype, or my favorite, a service project. The final product showcases everything my scholars have learned in a creative, hands-on way. And finally, step 5, we plan the showcase or presentation. Sharing the work is what makes PBL so powerful. Whether it's a gallery walk, a classroom presentation, a YouTube series, community exhibition, whatever it is, showcasing helps my scholars build those communication skills and take pride in their work. It gives their learning an audience that goes beyond the gradebook, and then we always include reflection. Project-based learning has so many benefits, but here are 3 big ones. First, deeper understanding. My scholars learn content more meaningfully because they're applying it. 21st century skills allows PBL, it builds collaboration, creativity, communication, and critical thinking, all skills that my scholars need. And then real world relevance. Students see the purpose in what they're learning and they stay engaged. Here are a couple of my scholars who have commented on what they like about project-based learning.
I love doing projects because they're fun and they keep me moving and they just help make me feel like I can do more than one thing because I'm doing 2 things. I'm learning and I'm having fun and it's creative and I just love the idea of it.
I like it doing projects because it allows me to not write on paper and actually be able to use my creativity to do things in the side of a class that are fun while also learning.
Impact Hour means a lot to me. I like doing the projects because it helps my future. It helps me learn how to cook. So then when I grow up, I can become a chef. Impact Hour helps, and so does projects.
So that's the foundation of our 5-step PBL framework. Join us next week on Minds in Motion as we dive into one of our favorite PBL units and show you exactly how it works from start to finish.